If you've already secured one of our packages, then you're all set to book now with one of our providers. If you know your provider by name, you can search in the bar, or if you are unsure, you can click on any of our providers to get to know who they are and where they are. But once you're ready to select, you'll be brought to their available times. Just choose any of their 15-minute sessions. You'll be needing to put in a few bits of information to make sure we're on the same page with you and your child. And then you're going to go ahead and click confirm booking. Even though it says $15 still, it's because we're going to use our package credits on the next screen. So when we get here, if you have a package, you'll see it reflected here. You can see I've used 12 out of my 16 sessions. If I want to indeed use one of my package credits, be sure to check the box, and immediately you'll see that it takes up one of those sessions. And over here, you'll now see that the price reflects that it's been taken down to $0 because you already paid. So go ahead and click confirm. You will see a quick payment and pending screen, but pretty quickly it will turn into the success screen. And then you will also receive email notifications about the confirmation of your booking.